Welcome to this GoPro comparison video. Today we will be comparing two amazing cameras from the Hero series, the HERO11 Black and the HERO9 Black 5K. We'll evaluate each product for its features, design, usability, performance, and more so that you can decide which one is best for you. Let's get started. For video recording, the HERO11 Black has a resolution of up to 5.3K at 60 FPS, whereas the HERO9 Black 5K supports up to 5K at 30 FPS. Both cameras have 8x slow motion capability, but the HERO11 Black has more resolution options. The HERO11 Black has a 20-megapixel sensor with super photo, making it capable of capturing photos with great detail and realistic textures in low-light conditions. The HERO9 Black is also equipped with a 23.6-megapixel sensor for stunning image clarity and contrast. The HERO11 Black has an internal lithium-ion rechargeable battery with 1720 mAh capacity and offers up to 17 hours of recording time on a single charge. The HERO9 Black has a larger 30% capacity battery that provides up to 30 hours of recording time. Both cameras come with HyperSmooth 3.0 video stabilization technology to capture smooth videos even when the camera moves. The HERO11 Black has Horizon Lock, which helps level the horizon, while the HERO9 Black also supports in-camera horizon leveling up to 45% tilt. The HERO11 Black has a rugged design which can take a beating and keep going, while the HERO9 Black is also water-resistant down to 33 feet, so you can use it at the beach or pool. Both cameras have built-in mounting and have convenient touchscreens for quick access. So these were just some of the comparisons between the HERO11 Black and the HERO9 Black 5K cameras. Now you can decide which one suits your needs the best. Thanks for watching.